Leicester yet again, of course. We're at the Abbey Lane Bridge number 6. No, it's not the Abbey Park, it's the bridge. So let's hope we get some good finds today. And let's hope we don't get no floaters. Some sort of safety device. I'm pretty sure most people are going to know what it is. So it looks like a pipe joiner. If I'm wrong, correct me.
Rex was found above.
Taller than him.
Oh, that's a big heavy pipe. What's he doing?
Look at the height difference.
It does, don't it? It reminds me of Teletubbies, where the little speakers used to come up. Yours is a bit better.
That's right, I've got the longest one so far. Yeah. There we go, we got a Vauxhall wheel trim. Yeah. Okay. There we go, found some lingerie. Oh!
I found a really heavy thing for Dad.
Really heavy thing.
Yay! Well done, Asta. High five.
Heavy thing. Oh.
High five. Well done.
Good old scaffold clamp. Another piece of piping. Looks like the steps leading up at the side of a lock. We've got scaffold clamp.
Yeah. We got a scaffold there.
And we've also got our first knife of the day.
Yeah.
First one.
Yeah.
There we are. Nice old cutthroat razor. Do you think that could be a sign? Virgin Media mobile phone. Not seeing any other brand on there. Hey. There we are. Piece from a jackhammer. There we go. Second cutthroat razor. Never found one before and now found two.
It was me who caught the grenade.
There we go. So now we found out who actually pulled out the mysterious grenade. It's just getting worse now finding these. Just be careful when you're out and about. You don't want to get stabbed by one of them. What is that? So there we are. We do tidy up after ourselves. So we've took all the metal from there now. All into there because somebody dumped that over a fence. We're going to take it on the opposite side, put it with the other stuff, and then I can send the location to my scrap man then. So we are, we've moved location now, we're at the North Bridge. So hopefully this one brings some better luck. Got our Olympus camera. This is a digital one that's got the display. I wonder if there's a memory card in here. Should we have a look? Let's have a look, shall we? Oh no. No battery, no SD card.
Down this end, I'm telling you.
That's not a good idea, is it? No, I bounced it off the bridge, not want to pull out. Cutthroat razor.
Are you sure?
There we are.
What's he found?
That's the third one of the day now, cutthroat razor. We got a spike. Bit weird that is. Mudguard. Cash box out of the phone box. Doubt there's anything in there. Not like that. Alright, so I didn't manage to record me pulling it out, but I've managed to find a bike. Not managed to find one for a while. So we have an umbrella. Some sort of spike. We have an axle from a bike. like a little flip knife, small one. I don't think the blade's going to come out though because it's a bit bent. And then this, I'm guessing it's either a base to a phone. I don't think it's base to a phone. I think it's a base to a card machine by the looks of it. If I'm wrong, let me know. I'm sure it is. Looks like it. Good old blazing magnets coming to the rescue, take it all scrap away. So here we are, last location, we're on the bridge near Abbey Park. We're going to have to try, why not? And while we're here, we have got Magnetic G over that side. And obviously we've got Northants Magnet Fishing down that side. Wave a red flag. What's a crowbar? That's one big piece of joiner for a pipe. Oh, that's it, we're done for the day now. Not really found too much there apart from the cutthroat razors. What else? The cutthroat razors. There was the knife, the phone, the camera. So yeah, a few things. Not too much though. So remember, if you enjoy the video, if you like the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell. And remember, if you're going to give us a thumbs down, put into the comments the reason why you're giving us a thumbs down. Well, cheers guys, thank you. And remember, stay green. Not very green.